Yes, good afternoon to all. Yes, my name is Asha and I'm EVS teacher. And in the previous class only, we are discussing about chapter 8, that is the bird. And the continuation class I'm going to take today. That is, uh, we learn the meaning of bird and how it will breathe and how it will hear and what are the parts on the bird. Everything we learned in the previous classes. Okay, now I am going to say about what is the nest and what are the uses of nest. Okay, that is the topic is nest of bird. Okay. Usually we can see somewhere some of the trees or some on the trees. We can see some of the nests. Okay. In that, birds are living and the female birds to give egg in the nest. And we can observe some of the nests are very small one and some of the nests are very big, the sizes and shapes as well as the using items, that is also different from one nest to another nest. So we'll start the lesson, and before starting lessons I will show you one video that is helps to you to understand the meaning of nest.
Sam and Paul were playing in the garden. Sam threw the ball hard and the ball went near a small tree in the garden. Sam went to bring the ball and saw that there was a small nest on the tree. He called Paul to have a look, and both of them were surprised to see two small eggs inside the nest. Have you ever seen such a nest? All birds give birth to their young ones by laying eggs. When they have to lay eggs, they build their homes or nests. Sam and Paul noticed a small bird flying around. When both of them went away, the beautiful bird came to sit over the eggs. Usually, the female or the mother bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Sometimes the male bird also sits on the eggs. After a few days, the eggs break open and baby birds come out. This is called hatching. The chicks that come out of the eggs are usually without feathers. They are very delicate. Their parents protect them and feed them until they can look after themselves and fly away. Once the young birds fly away, the parents also leave the nest. Birds build a new nest every time they have to lay eggs. Different birds build different kinds of nests. Birds are hard workers who patiently build up their homes. Most of the birds use twigs, leaves, pieces of grass, thread or cotton to build their nests. Some birds even use pebbles and mud to build nests. Eagles build their nests on trees with sticks and twigs. Weaver birds build hanging nests. They tie dry grass and twigs into knots to make a nest. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk. The tailor birds stitches leaves together to make a nest. A partridge makes its nest on the ground. It builds the nest in the midst of tall grass where no one can see the nest. Do you know that birds are great travelers? Many birds leave cold places like Siberia in the winter and fly thousands of kilometers to warmer places. These birds are called migratory birds. They lay eggs in new warm places they migrate to and go back with the little ones when winter is over. Siberian cranes come to India during winter. No one knows how these birds find their way. Thus, the birds too have their homes where they bring up their little ones.
Yes, we understood now how birds will come out on the eggs and how to prepare birds in the nest. Sometimes we can see some of the birds, like some of the birds, they are making the small nest, and some of the bird it will make big nest, and as well as some of the items what they are going to use, that is different from one nest to another nest. So the different sizes of nest and different colors of nest and different shapes of nest we can see. So however, now I will going to say the exact meaning of nest. I hope all you understood by the this video only, but I will explain you what is the nest and how it will use for birds. Okay, see here, nest of birds. The topic is nest of birds. Birds build nests to give them places to lay their eggs. Yeah, when they are going to lay the egg, that time they will make or they will prepare the nest and care for their young one. That is young one in the sense these are what next generation, like mother or female mother bird or female will laying the eggs, and sometimes it will sit on the eggs because it will give warmth to the egg, especially places that provide camouflage, safety and shelter. Birds build nests of many different sizes and shapes, including cups. We can see, as usual, normal nests are cup shape, and mounds, and platform, and spades, pendants, and cavities. We can observe these kind of the activity, like this kind of the shape of the nest we can see in the some of the trees or somewhere else. If you have textbook, please open it. I will show you the different types of or different shapes of the nest. And one more thing, for you one activity, that is you have to collect different types or different shapes of the nest, and you have to write which any bird name, like which all are using this, I will give you an example, that is curve shape nest. Which bird it is going to use, that you have to write, and mount which one this is going to use, that you have to write. And now we'll go for textbook. I will show you the pictures of nest. See here, nest of birds. Like us, birds also need a home to live in. Yes, we are living at home. We are building the home. Yeah, we are building the constructions, and we are living at home. As well as animals also need nest to live. The home of bird is called a nest. A pair of birds first decided where to build the nest, and then together they will build their nest. You see, in our parent will decide where they want to live, like where they want to stay. In that area they will build the home. Same as well as in the bird also will decide before laying egg. They will decide where we should create or where we should build the nest. After that only the birds will build the nest. Birds lay eggs in their nest and care for their young ones till they are old enough to fly. Yes, that we were saw in the video. We observed in that one, but uh, when a small young bird will come out, that is very little, they cannot fly. At that time the mom bird or dad bird, it will take food and feed to their kids. Okay, after when it will ready to fly, that time that birds will go out. See here, birds build their nest too, to lay and hatch their eggs, to protect their eggs and baby birds from enemies. We know that when sometimes some of the snakes or some of the other birds or anything, it will eat these eggs. Because of that, the birds will take care of their eggs, because they are building the nest. And one more thing, to lay and hatch their eggs, protect themselves from harsh weather and enemies. See, sometimes it is very rainy season, that time they can't stand in the out of like out of the nest. So, so because of that and from the enemies, for that purpose they build the nest. The type of nest and the places where they are built varies among birds. Nests are made with the twine, cotton, dry leaves, stones, and threads. This also we learned the type of nest and the places where they are built. Nests are made with the twigs or cotton, dry leaves, stones, threads, etc. The Tyler bird, the weaver bird, and the woodpecker build their nest in very interesting ways. See, the Tyler bird and the weaver bird and woodpecker, it will in that bird's nest is different from other birds' nest. What is the specialty that we are going to discuss now? See here one picture, a Tyler bird and its nest. Can you see this? See here. Yes, the Tyler bird sweeps its nest with its beak. It uses thread, wool, and vegetable fiber to sew the leaves together. It either folds one big leaf and sews the edges together, or sews the together more than one leaf. See here. Yes, we can. I will show you the clear pictures of these all in the next class. And weaver bird, the weaver bird uses twigs and grass to make its big and strong nest. The nest hangs from a tree and looks like a bottle hanging upside and down. You see, it is the different, right? Yeah, it is different from others' nest. Woodpecker. The woodpecker makes its nest in tree trunks. It uses its chisel-like beak to make a big hole in the tree trunk and then lines the hole with wooden chips to make the nest cozy. And the penguin. The penguin lives in cold places. It makes its nest on the ground with the pebbles and stone that it collects. So next it is sparrow. See, sparrow. The sparrow makes its nest with grass, leaves, straw, and cotton. It makes its nest in a tree, a house, or any other protected place. The vulture uses sticks and twigs to make its nest, which look like a shallow cup. It makes a nest in high trees. See, we can observe how caring of young birds that we learned in that video. So because of that only I showed you in the beginning only the video, because how they will take care of their kids. See, your mom will take care of you, right? You are small. Yes, your papa is take care of you. Why? Because you are small. Your grandma, she will take care of you. Why? It is you are small. When we were small, that time some elders will take care of us. Is it? So, say the birds also take care of young birds, because that young birds are there now, they doesn't know how to eat and how to fly and anything they doesn't know. That time the bird will guide how to fly, how to eat, how to search food, that everything, each and everything the bird will teach the young birds. Okay, that is called caring for young birds. How young elder like how papa how mom bird will help to or guide the birds, young birds. Okay, see, the mother bird lay eggs in the nest. Is it right? Yeah, both the mother and father birds take turns to keep the eggs warm by sitting on them. The chicks hatch out after a few days by breaking the eggshells. The chicks are weak and do not have feathers at this time. They do not have feathers. We learned in the last class, when they are fly, they want feathers and they want wings, right? Sorry, right? So they need wings. Because of that, when they will come out of the chicks, that come out of the egg, that time they are very weak. So the parent birds feed them, keep them warm, and protect them the enemies. Okay. When the chicks grow a little, the parent birds teach them to fly and to gather food, that we learn. So this chapter is also over, but the next class I will show you, because I have to do the revision about this class. So I will come with the for the next class some of the images I have to show, because I know I hope all you understood, but I have to show some of the pictures about these birds. So I will meet you in the next class. Thank you all.